This is an overview of the task management dashboard Notion template. This template is actually a part of the all-in-one work productivity dashboard template, but you can get it as its own section if you only want this tasks section. The full template includes projects and notes and meeting notes and other additional items. I've been using this setup for years now, and it has really helped with truly tracking all of my tasks and making sure that I'm organized in every way and being able to just have everything in one place. And I'll run through it quickly now. Here you can see all of your current tasks and you can view them by the different status item. You can click into here and say, okay, I want to send notes for project 1. So in your task view, you also have a this week section and a date to do. So if you just want to see all of them in that way, and a table as well. And then you have the section for all tasks too. So this is where you can see them in different views, and it's not just the tasks that are immediately needed for this week, it's every single task that you have added to this database. So that is how you view this as well, and I have different sections here for you to be able to view them in that way as well. So hopefully that was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. And again, this tasks dashboard is a part of the full all-in-one work productivity dashboard template. So let me know if you have any questions on either of them, but you're able to get the full template for the work productivity or just this task section.